makeup series video, and today I'm going to be doing the state of Punjab, and this is the look that I've come up with. This is definitely not an everyday look. It includes glitter and it's heavy on eyes and lips both, something that I associated with Punjabi look, and I just love how it looks. It has the classic combo of gold, green and red. This is something that is classic and is associated with Punjabi makeup, and yes, this is the overall look. I hope you guys will enjoy this look. Also, I would like to mention the fact that this is the first time I've used soft boxes and a background to make my videos more clean and sharp and crisp, and this is the first time I am using soft boxes to record a makeup tutorial. So please let me know if you guys like how these look. If not, then what I should incorporate. The only reason I don't want to use natural lighting is simply because it's uncontrollable. Sometimes it gets way too sunny and then way too light, and that what is sometimes make my foundation look way too light or way too dark for me, and that is not a good look. With these lightings I can control how they look, and I can control the temperature and everything so that the makeup looks as on point as it is. So yes, that's a long intro. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. I'm starting off by taking Hourglass Primer Serum, and I'm going to put it on the centers of my face and then move outwards. I'm also going to make sure that I massage it really well because I want my skin to look more flawless. Then I'm taking Studio West Pure Passion Flawless Finish Makeup. This is a medium to full coverage foundation. So I'm just painting it on my face with the help of a flat foundation brush. And then to sheer it out a little because I don't want that much of coverage, I'm going to use this Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. And this is damp. So I'm just pushing the foundation into my skin. Then taking Bourjois Bio Detox Organic Concealer, I'm going to highlight the highest points of my face. So I'm going under my eyes, between my brows, you know the drill. To be very honest with you guys, I'm not a very big fan of this concealer because this tends to set really quickly. So you need to work really fast with this. So I'm just going to use that same damp sponge and I'm going to try and blend this out as well as I can. But it did set in some of the areas, so I had to work really hard. You can see how hard it is to blend right here. Then I'm taking L'Oreal Matte Magique and I'm going to set my face with this. So I'm just using a fluffy brush and just dusting this all across my face because I want my face to be more mattified and not that shiny. Now Punjabis love a strong contour and I love them. So I'm just going to be taking this Ben Nye contouring powder with my fave Makeup Revolution Pro Curve Burr brush, and I'm just going to place my contour a little bit higher than I usually do, and I'm also going to curve it up so that my cheeks look more rounded. As you can see, I'm just curving my contour up. I'm just placing the color right now so it will look a little harsh. I'm also going to go on my jaw because I want my jaw to be more defined. So yes, don't worry about that harsh contour, we're going to be blending it. And just a tiny amount on my forehead, just on the temples, and then on the sides of my nose and also on the ala of my nose to just slim it down a little so that my nose looks more sharp. Then I'm going to take that same brush with which I powdered my face and I'm going to blend everything out so that it's not harsh or stark. As for my nose, I'm going to use my fingers because that brush is way too huge to blend in my nose contour. Then I'm taking this Inglow blush. It's a beautiful pink blush and I'm going to go a little heavy on the blush because that's what I've generally seen. So yes, you can totally just tone it down if you want to. Taking Becca Champagne Pop, I'm going to apply it on my cheekbones, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow and chin. Punjabis love their glow and so do I. So I'm just going to apply that and it gives such a beautiful glow. I love Champagne Pop, guys. Look at that glow. Then I'm going to take a Sense Eyebrow Kit, and Punjabis have really strong eyebrows with a prominent arc. So I'm just going to do that and I'm going to skip my normal 2-color eyebrow and just going in with the darkest shade and filling in my eyebrow and making sure my arch is really nice and prominent. Then taking Sleek Arabian Nights Smoke and Shadow limited edition palette, I'm going to pick up this beautiful forest green shadow, and with the help of a flat crease brush, I'm going to apply it to my crease. Don't worry about blending, just place the colors right now. From the same palette, I'm going to pick up this brown and black shade and I'm going to apply it to my outer crease only. Again, I'm just placing the color right now with the help of a small crease brush. Then using a blender brush, I'm going to blend everything out and I'm going to smoke out the green as well. So it is sort of smoky and blown out. I'm taking the subtle gold shadow and highlighting my brow bone. Then comes the star of the show, this Topshop eyeshadow. It's a beautiful cream pressed glitter eyeshadow. So I'm just using my finger to place it all across my lid. I tried using the brush, but it works best with fingers. And then I'm just adding a little bit of green because I thought it was lost. So yes, just adding and just blending. So you need to blend and add, blend and add. Taking that same green on my lower lash line as well so that it's nice and smoky and blown out. And again repeating the same thing with the black and brown but just on the outer lid. Using Faces Magnetized Kajal, I'm going to line my waterline, tight line, upper lash line, all of it. So I'm first going to start by lining my upper lash line. I'm going to do it thinly as close as possible to the lash line. Just smudging it with a smudger brush. Then I'm going to line my waterline and also my tight line. Taking Catrice Lashes to Kill Mascara, I'm going to do my lashes. Obviously, I feel you can definitely go with a pair of falsies. I just didn't want to add them and complicate the look. So I'm just going to give my eyelashes a good couple of coats of this mascara. Then taking this beautiful Inglow lip liner, I'm going to line my lips. So just define your lips really properly because this is a red color and you don't want it to be bleak or all over the place. So take your time with this step and make sure your lips are nice and beautiful and defined. I'm also going to fill in my lips with this because I want my lipstick to last a really long time. I'm going for a gloss, so I'm taking this Maybelline lip polish and I'm gonna apply it all over my lips. Again, making sure I'm really in the line and I'm not going flea or all over the place. With that, I finished another Indian makeup series video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. A lot of you commented Punjab in my last Indian makeup series and I had to do Punjab. Do let me know which state you would like to see next and I would love to do it for you guys. And yes, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media which would be listed in the bottom bar as usual for you guys. And I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye. Sada chiriya da chamba ve babal asa ud jana ਸਾਡੇ ਲੰਬੇ ਜੁਦਾਈ ਦਾ ਬਾਬੁਲ ਅਸਾਂ ਉੜ